Hey guys, me and Mimi today. I wanted to tell you something. I've not made a video for like a long time because I had this bad cough, which I actually had because in school there was one of my friends called Owen, and I was here, but Owen walked to me and coughed in my face, and then I waited, and it got even worse. I was like, how did I get this? And I started a combo, and I have something else to show you. I freeze my own toy. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's an idiot. Hello. I am Fat Baby Mickey Mouse. I have eaten too much food. So if you want to get this, do this, go buy this little baby Mickey Mouse from the Disney shop. And then put him in a cup, and then put him in there, and then put him in the freezer, and then wait a day, and then you get him out and try to break it, and then you try to break his head, and you try to get his head, and then it's Fat Baby Mickey Mouse. Sometimes they stab the bit, sometimes stab the back. So anyways, so see you. I'll see you anyway if you want me to.